it's time for the world to see what I can offer, and I figured that this is the time for me to shine and give my informational service and let everybody come in at the pre-market prep and watch me do my live videos every morning and give them the direction that I feel that things are moving. And sometimes it's right, sometimes it's wrong. It's just we want to be right more than we're wrong.
Disclaimer: Elite Trading is for educational purposes only. The alerts given are not one-way tickets to be a millionaire. Discretion is advised.
But they want to hit a base hit, they hit a base hit or a home run. Sometimes that home run makes up for the next 10 hits, but at the end of the day, you want to just hit those base hits. That's all it's about every day, and that's what I do. And that's how we became successful. And now we're just wanting to share that success and let everybody else gain something that they don't already know. Hey, good morning, traders. Kaler here with Elite Trading, coming in to you live, 9 a.m. pre-market prep. Wanted to go over a few of the things and ideas that we've been thinking about and talking about with our group. We were together last night. We talked for a couple hours, and we have some new people coming in that have never been a part of trading, or they're just now starting. They opened up brokerages. They're trying to find the right broker. They're trying to find out where they should start trading, why they should start trading. Maybe some reasons why they would get into a stock, why they would get out, why they would take profit, why they wouldn't take profit, why they would hold it. So there's a lot of different questions out there for you. And, a lot of people don't even know where to ask the questions. They don't know where to find out how to trade. And then they don't even know what to ask YouTube or Google or find. They don't have the things inside their head yet. They haven't been taught it. You don't know what you don't know. So if you want to know and you want to grow and you want to actually figure out the big picture, you want to get with people that are doing this professionally, that have been trading for a little while, that might have some other people in their area or in their surroundings that have some good information for you. And pick their brains, baby. You need to learn. You need to ask questions. And then every time they say something you don't know, what are you going to do? You write it down, you research it, and you figure out more about it. And then you bring back your own scenario or your own analysis or your own opinion to that same person. You go, hey, look, I know you said this, but I formed an opinion based off of this. Same, I found some stuff. I want to talk to you about it, man. You're like, look at this. That's what our group does. So where I'm getting at is that's what we do. We bring together groups of people that are trying to teach each other, trying to learn, they're trying to grow, and find different ways to trade. We gotta get ready. In my opinion, you're gonna see a drop. Everyone says it's hard to short the market right now. You shouldn't be short, and et cetera, et cetera. At the end of the day, it just depends on how you do it. Intraday shorting is still there. Averaging down for a long-term drop is not terrible advice, in my opinion, depending on the company you're shorting, or if you're going short the market. If you're shorting SPY, because you're gonna get that retracement, you're gonna get the drop, you're gonna get something. It's not gonna go up 5% every day. It's gonna have some type of pullback. So it all depends on how leveraged in you are. Are you leveraged in the money to where if it has $1 pullback, you're going to make some money on any of the calls or any of the puts that you're buying? Matt Littlejohn said leaps for the beginners. Yeah, definitely. And there's a lot of option training and option strategies that we can go over when it comes to in our group setting, because we were talking about them last night. So even if you just wanted to go long a stock, most people think that they don't know that you would sell a put to collect the premium as you're trying to buy the stock for that price. So there's a lot of things out there that you can learn, and if you want to learn them, if you want to grow and you want to do that, jump in and we'll teach you. You can call me, text me, message me, we'll get together, and if I don't know the answer, I'll find someone who does. That's it. So today I don't have my screens. I'm in the hotel, so I don't have my screen, so I can't share with you this, but I can still go over it. So let me pull up today's newsletter. So we have the bulls of the day: MGM still, DA, LVS, BAC, We have the daily news with major stock indices are starting out weaker in early pre-market hours after seeing new records from the rally. Bitcoin surged over 18% after Tesla purchased 1.5 billion worth of the cryptocurrency, and Tesla also raised 1.3%. The House voted to confirm the fast track of President Biden's 1.9 trillion stimulus package. House Speaker Nancy Pelosi said the bill would be passed by the end of the month. Cases of COVID-19 have slowed down. There were 31% less new cases last week as compared to the week before. You know, we have on this watch list, we told you guys, you know, what we're watching, what we're buying. Mara, you know, take a look at that Mara chart. And this is something that, if you believed in Bitcoin, then you can believe in a blockchain. You can believe into these companies that are going to have some benefit from when Bitcoin moves up. So this was a way to go long without having to buy a $40,000 contract. And I just recommend that you guys continue to find these different relationships and understand them, because it's not easy being out there trying to trade alone and not know, you know, what might move a stock, because you don't even know that you might say one thing to me that is something small, something small that says, hey, Kaylor, I see that this company is going to get bought out by this company. Boom, I'm in there. I'll start learning. I'll start talking about it. I'll bring it to the attention of people I know and say, hey, what did you hear about this? Does it matter? Do I even want to learn about it? And they'll say, yeah, you need to know about this. This is something new. Go ahead and learn about it. Boom. And you pick a decision on which way you think that move is going to happen. Are they going to buy it up, or are they going to sell it down? So if you want to have longer conversations about this, if you want to grow with us, jump in and get in the group with us, get in the live chat. We can drop a link in here for you in the chat room. So if you have any comments below, hit that like button, you know, do that for us and share this. Go subscribe on our YouTube channel, Elite Trading. We need the help. We want people to follow us. We want to have this thing out there for other people to see and get into the private conversations with us at night, talking, hanging out, and just growing together, becoming friends while trading. So talk to you guys soon. Stay in the green.